Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, August 12th, 2001, 8 am. Our way will develop more and more because it is suitable for today's man and it will suit even more tomorrow's man. He will need this enlightenment on real spirituality, divested of any constraint, religious, restrictive, and sectarian. He will appreciate having within his reach a simple system capable of putting him in tune with the reality of his being, meaning the omnipresent divinity in him. His heart holds secrets which he would like to penetrate. He is intrigued by all this potential he is sensing, but which he cannot use as he sees fit. He is looking for a key that will give him access to this treasure. To him, our way seems to be a simple means within his reach and answering his profound aspirations without any formal commitment on his part. The searcher of today wants to be free, free from any domineering system that induces feeling of guilt, to progress in complete freedom except for the redeeming requirement of sadhana and under the guidance of a master, neither domineering nor exacting. This is what man of this century aspires to. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. Many men today are trying to have a clear understanding of themselves. Their true nature intrigues them. They are released from superstitions that have dominated the world until now. They can foresee a different reality than the one generally taught. Concrete and striking facts will enlighten them on the realities of creation as well as on their own identity. Millennia have passed and knowledge has remained limited to a restricted number of individuals. This century, which is preparing the age of enlightenment, will speed things up. Man is wondering where is the truth of his nature and what is the actual meaning of his life on this earth. Wrong teachings were passed on from generation to generation, restricting people's minds and maintaining them in ignorance. The truth would give them strength, a power, and the possibility to lead their lives successfully according to their targeted results. From this incarnation, with a view to a future and real evolution, they would be able to act with full knowledge of the facts, free in their choices, and gearing their efforts to the goal to be reached. Babuji Maharaj.